Ensure bulkhead is clean, then wipe top surface with alcohol pad. Starting at bulkhead, peel protective backing as you go. Align top of weather seal 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch above edge of bed cap and adhere from one side to the other. Then trim off excess weather seal. Slide toolbox forward to compress weather seal. Adjust header bar flush with top of truck box. Then push header bar against toolbox to compress D weather seal. Install first clamp. Turn nut finger tight, then tighten with 1/2 inch wrench. Repeat to install clamp on opposite side. Position side rail with weather strip against inside lip of truck box, then adjust top of side rail flush with top of box. For 19-inch toolboxes, side rail should have 1/2 inch clearance from inside of tailgate. For 20 to 21-inch toolboxes, side rail should have 1/4 inch clearance from inside of tailgate. Install second clamp as close to header bar as possible. Turn nut finger tight, then tighten with 1/2 inch wrench. Install third clamp on side rail at midway point and repeat clamping procedure. Next, install final clamp as close to tailgate as possible and repeat clamping procedure. Ensure side rail is flush, then torque all clamps to 20 foot-pounds. Repeat steps to install side rail on opposite side. Ensure header bar is clean, then wipe top surface with alcohol pad. Ensure raised portion of seal is against inside edge of header bar, while unraised portion is toward toolbox. Peeling protective backing as you go, align and adhere L weather seal on top of header bar from one side to the other. Then trim off excess weather seal. Clean underside of rail with alcohol pad. Hold seal up to end of side rail. Ensure edge of side rail contacts edge of box. Then mark seal leg and cut notch. Peel protective backing, align and adhere seal to side rail. On driver's side, insert bolt with flat washer into tension adjuster marked L. Then turn bolt into nut and front bar. Leave loose for now. Repeat process to install tension adjuster on passenger side. Roll front bar onto side rails and tuck vinyl flap under front bar. Then slide tension adjuster until it engages under side rail and align holes. Insert bolt, secure with washer and nut. Hold bolt and tighten nut under side rail. Repeat process to install tension adjuster on opposite side. Center front bar between side rails. Then with tension adjuster support tab under side rail, tighten bolt under front bar on each side. Unroll cover and place rear bar into strikes on side rails.